secondary keyword 1 and secondary keyword 2 to only support the primary keyword. Okay. So if we are taking the primary keyword, we need to take the primary keyword as the main topic of the content. Okay, so if you are if you are giving primary keyword as PK and it has a search volume around 2500, and we have the secondary keyword which is SK1, which also has a search volume like around 1000, and a secondary keyword SK2 has a search volume of 500. So we will be the SEO team will be taking the keywords and all, and based on the search volume and the difficulty, we are taking the keywords. Okay. So once they took the primary and secondary keywords, we need to use the keywords in the content, right? So here you can see the primary keyword, the PK has 2500 and the other keyword has 1500. So which means 2000, 4000 volume we have get in the from these keywords, right? So once we have get the primary and secondary keywords, we need to optimize those keywords in the content, in the title, in the description, in H1 and all, right? So once we got the primary keywords, we need to create the title and description based on the keywords. So yeah. So if you are creating a meta title like a Google title, we should include our primary keyword to grab more attention, because people will search the term people will search the direct term, and if we get our page and they will click on it, right? So if we are using our primary keyword, like if we include our primary keyword in the Google title and description, that will grab more attention and more traffic. And for the meta description, as I said, we need to include the primary and secondary keywords in the description for for better search experience. So people will search related terms, and we will they will get the page of ours. Yeah, basically the primary keyword has the most potential to drive the traffics to that blog. That's the thing. So, so once we have created the title and description, we need to move on to the next section, heading. So, heading is the main, like heading is one of the main part of the content. Okay, so that is the H1 of the page. So it should be catchy and keyword rich. Like we need to optimize the primary keyword in H1 as well. And yeah, so we need to optimize the primary keyword in H1 as well. And once we have created the heading, we need to create a small introduction about the content we are discussing further. So the introduction should it should quickly hook the reader to get the attention, and it should be shortly explain what they will learn in that entire blog. So it's basically it's a short sentence or short in a paragraph of the entire blog. And once we have created the introduction, next we need to add the author credential and experience. That's a very important thing we need to consider it while creating a blog, because people trust experts, right? So, so adding a short bio like written by who slash who has written the blog, and so while adding those expertises in our blogs, will make some content more reliable.
Yes, so
So
I
people
just
will
want to
get
add here, Sanuja, one thing I want to add. So can you go on top? Just go to top section. The point to remove, right? Top, extreme top. Can you go to top? The experience, that mention is there. Yeah, go to the, yeah. On the top, more top. Yeah. Yeah, a little more. I
Yeah,
want to see
yeah.
that. Yeah. So, see, the blog has to be created in the form of experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Okay. So, when you say experience, okay, so what is your experience with the blog? Like, for example, how to treat your gut. How much experience do you have in this particular thing? Okay, so of course, you all will have the experience, so that you all already have this first hand experience you have, so that is called experience. Okay, so you 2 3 persons you have already, you as a doctors, you will have this idea, right? So that experience is there. Now what about the expertise? What do you mean by expertise? Okay, so expertise is nothing but as a medical expert. Okay, you have an expertise. You have the certificate. So to to tell this particular, to write this content. Okay, so that expertise, we have to put your photo, we have to put your certificate, we have to put your the LinkedIn profile, so that the trustworthiness will come. So, once the Google user read, or maybe Google looks into the the text, Google AI looks into the text, they will understand, okay, this is having a good expertise, this content is very good, and that is, and Google will bring it on the top. Okay, then you have authoritiness. So how much authority you have to speak about this topic? Have you spoke in TV? Have you spoken in radio? Have you spoken in YouTube? Have you spoken in Facebook? So all these things, if you have have, if you have spoken about the topic, and then those things you can put, put it as a this topic. Yeah. Okay, so that is your authoritative. Okay, so have you given a conference? Have you given a class in the in your what is it, in your office? So this is called authoritative. And you have lastly, but trustworthiness. Trustworthiness is nothing but how much website is the website good, whether I can trust this website. So for example, it should have a security aspects, whether there shouldn't be any virus. There should be SSL certificate in the website. In the top, you see that HTTPS, that should be there. So that is called trustworthiness. So you have to have all these things, and then you have to make the blog. Like starting from a heading, then introduction. So introduction is very important. In introduction, we will be putting, see if you see, explain your expertise by more, what is it, mentoring your background experience of the topic. You can write about that. Okay, then other currency come down. Yeah, then you can your author introduction about the author, a short, what is it, a short section, about your qualification. So all these things can come here. Okay, then main content. So main content here is nothing but the sub, once you write the heading, then you come with the subheading, right? So that is your subheading 1, subheading 2, subheading 3, subheading 4. So all this is your main content. So how much, if there is 5 subheading, you can write 5 subheading. If the blog is finishing by 2 subheading, then that is fine. Okay, you can have 2 subheading. So you can include in the heading also. You can, if you think there is a possibility to add the primary keyword in heading, then you can add the primary keyword in the heading. Okay, then after this, then comes your visual interaction, like videos. We if we have some videos, is well and good, we'll add the videos. If we have the images, okay, see, another thing is, images is very important. Okay, so the user likes the images. So selecting the images, if we are selecting the image, if from our company, if we are selecting the image wrongly, then you can suggest this image is wrong, or you can suggest the image from directly. You can put it in the what is it, in the Word document. So that is, image is important. What is the other one, next one? Address. Yeah,
Like
that,
counter arguments and FAQs.
yeah, see, that is FAQs. Okay, so see, any topic will have a counter arguments. Okay, so maybe they will tell, this you cannot treat here. We have to treat in the hospital. Like that's a lot of questions. But we have to include those kind of points. Okay, in this thing. Mm, that is also very good. Then what you have call to action. So we will please place that call to action. Okay, so contact. So if you have this problem, contact Rock Home. Contact Natika Beach. We have expert here. So those things we will add it. Okay, call to action. Okay, maybe we will put a chat bot, or we'll put a form in between in between your content. So that is a call to action. So yeah. Next is author biography and trust signal. So that is nothing but your one-liner about you, and about your LinkedIn profile. We will put some LinkedIn profile, those kind of things. Okay. Then you have references. References is also very important. So Google Trust. Okay, if you have referred some topic, or if this topic is available in some other magazine, or in news articles, those things and all, we can put it. For example, you can take Manorama is a very trusted thing, so those articles you can place it here. Or maybe Hindu, or the Indian Express. So whatever you have that particular topic, you have to find out that, okay, that references, two references is more than enough, so we can place that. And popular text is again, like, we will add what are the relevant keywords. Okay, relevant keywords associated with this particular topic. Not only primary keyword, secondary keyword, there may be other keywords, so we will add that primary keyword. That is from our side. Okay, so this is the gist of the blog. Okay, any questions here? Because we are speaking, the questions is not coming. If you have any questions, you can tell, ask.
Yeah, hi today.
Yeah, hi. Yeah, hi.
My name is Ratish and I'm the GM here in Rockholm.
Hi,
So,
Ratish. Yeah.
Tinel, thanks for sharing this presentation here.
Okay.
So, it would be nice of you if few samples of contents can be shared with us,
Yeah.
wherein all these points have been covered,
Yes, yes, yes. Fine.
just for us to go through and understand how these points can be executed into a blog.
Hmm.
Okay, and secondly, ideally, for a good blog, how many words or how many sentences it should have?
No, see, that is up to you. Okay, so see, at least we should have 500 words. Okay, but if you can write more, then that is well and good. Yeah. So basically, you can put as a subheading one, subheading two. That point wise you put it. That is much better.
Understood, understood.
Okay, so
There's
if
one more thing. There's one more thing. Yes, obviously, people. I mean, entire thing has been dependent on AI nowadays.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So people obviously refer to ChatGPT or
Yes,
DeepSeek, whatever it is.
yes, yes.
So, you think is it should be completely avoided, or we can still seek
See, I will tell
some
you. Okay,
ideas?
so what happened recently? The agencies, like digital marketing agencies from Hyderabad, other countries, when the ChatGPT, they introduction of ChatGPT, they wrote many content. They started writing a lot of content. Okay, in the website, so they were getting more traffic, and that was like a that was like illegal to Google. Okay, because they are bombarding with the content. So Google came with an algorithm. Okay, so if you are going to take it from the chat gpt or anything, they will not bring it on top. Okay, they will not do it unless and until if we are going to put some value added addition to the
Hmm.
particular thing. Okay, you see, they're not saying that you should not completely avoid it. Okay, you can take the content from there, but there should be some aspect of the content which is not in the internet. You got it. You will have your own expertise. That's what we call expertise. Okay, you have some authoritiness to write about this particular thing. So those kind of things comes in the content, then it is going to be very good. So see,
Right.
there was a recent survey. Okay, so what they did, they have taken the, I think, semrush is another tool where we use to track that ranking. Okay, and see how is the performance of the website. So these people had taken 500 website, and what they have seen is the website which is written manually has is coming on the top.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and and after that, they have also seen that some instance, this content, mix of content. Okay, mix of ChatGPT content and this manual content, that is also coming on the first page. Okay, to be
Mm-hmm.
in the other side, our website. Okay, in our what is it? Our company website. It is written in ChatGPT and in the it's a combination of ChatGPT and manual thing, and we are ranking on the top three position. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
my answer would be you can use the ChatGPT, but don't use 100%. Then, if you're going to use 100%, then it is going to be a problem for our thing. So you
And so the team can extract ideas from AI tools
yeah.
and can implement in their own
Yeah, yeah,
phrases, no?
yeah.
Like
Yes,
rephrase or
yes, yes,
something, right?
yes. See, the
Okay,
other thing is,
that's
what happened? They
hmm,
will have an idea. Okay, the team will have
hmm,
the idea. So I have seen with the
hmm,
client also. They will have an idea. They will put it in the
hmm,
chat GPT and they rephrase the content. Now that is going to
hmm,
be, they will understand. Google will understand this entire thing is chat GPT and they will not going to work.
hmm, hmm,
So
hmm,
whatever
hmm,
you have an idea, you write in your words. Okay, maybe you can put in
hmm.
chat GPT and correct the grammar. That is fine. But let's make it our own sentence, at least one paragraph. That important, that key factor, make it in our own
Hmm.
language. That is enough.
Okay. One more final thing is,
Yeah.
this is the fact that most of our team members are a bit hesitant because obviously not everyone is good in grammar.
Hmm. Okay.
So I think there is this hesitant factor which comes in wherein they feel like if they are incorrect in terms of grammars or word addresses, it might showcase themselves as an inferior part. So is it fine if we just add simple sentences
Yeah, yeah,
wherein
yeah.
obviously there are
See,
ideas and that can be restructured and reworked?
yeah, see, in that case, maybe, we can introduce Grammarly. Okay, Grammarly, and whenever we write, it will show the underline and it will give you the right word. Okay, maybe that is one easy method, and it is,
Hmm.
yeah. So that if you want to introduce that, that is easy.
Hmm.
Yeah. Then otherwise, they can write a very simple language. Yeah.
Hmm.
So that
Right.
is,
So this is what I was asking if it is acceptable if the blog is created in simple sentences
yes, yes,
that could be
yes, yes,
easily
yes, yes,
understood
yes, yes,
as
yes.
far as the idea is being
Yes, yes,
transmitted.
that
That's
is
it.
100% acceptable, yeah. And that is what
Okay.
Google looks for, okay. Yeah.
Understood.
So Google
Understood.
doesn't
Okay.
want a content which is written just in a matter of 2 seconds, okay, 2 seconds or
Hmm.
like a matter of 1 minute to 2 minutes. So they have to, that's what we call it as a, the authority, expertise, authority. So all this factor comes, then Google understand okay, this is a very good site, yeah. So that's the whole thing.
Okay, understood. So, as I spoke in the beginning, it would be nice if some blogs have been shared to us
Yeah, yeah,
with the
yeah.
proper execution of all the 14 or 17 points that you mentioned, including that LinkedIn
Yeah.
part and
See, we
everything
will
where
give you
you
some
can
sample.
access.
After this call, maybe we
That
can.
would be good.
Yeah,
Yes,
we will
yes.
give you sample
Understood.
blogs in the website which we found. Okay, we will send you that,
Understood.
and
Understood.
also
All right.
maybe we will see how we can write and give you an example. Okay, so some topic we will take and we give you an example of that, and we can share it with your team. Yeah.
Got it, got it. So, what I believe is what exactly is done is the keywords are being shared with our team, right? First,
Yes, yes.
initially,
Yeah, so that is
and
what
on the
the
basis of
primary
the
keyword.
keywords,
See,
we have to.
yeah, the primary keyword, but what we mentioned as PK1. Okay, primary
Okay.
keywords. Yeah, primary keyword we will fix it. We will give you. So we know
Hmm.
we have the right tool to understand which is having more search volume. So that we will give you,
Hmm.
and also the secondary keyword. Okay, and based on that keyword, you can introduce into the wherever heading or subheading the thing. You can add it. Okay, so see if
Got
the
it. Got it.
keyword is in the heading, then that is going to be your priority. Okay, Google is going to take that as a priority. Okay, that is
Hmm.
where a title, description, subheadings, and all. If you have the keywords, then you can add it. So another question, what Natika asked, can we use the keywords exactly like that? Okay, and if you use the keyword exactly like that, it's going to be odd, looking odd. Yeah, you don't have to use exactly like that. Maybe one topic if you take what is it? Ayurveda wellness. Okay, so you don't have to take Ayurveda wellness exactly. You can have Ayurveda one side and wellness in somewhere also. That is also is as okay. If you put everywhere Ayurveda wellness is going to be
Hmm.
not good, right? So yeah.
Hmm. Hmm.
So you can take
Hmm.
one word and you can add it in the title and maybe another word in some other place. That is also fine. Yeah.
Hmm. Hmm. Got it. Got it. So that's it from my side.
Mm.
Any other questions, team? Akhil, Abhijit?
Any questions? Okay. Any questions with regards to SEO also fine. We can help you out here. Any?
Any more questions, guys?
I think we have already the LinkedIn profile, right? Everyone's LinkedIn profile is we have added into the website, I guess.
Yes, yes, I think Akshay has already shared. Yes.
Yeah, yeah, okay. So that is one thing, and we would require the certificate. So maybe we will see. Maybe we can give you a user. Okay, everyone will have a
Hmm.
username, and with that user they can write it. I will check with that. Akshay,
Hmm.
that party.
Okay. 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 So that's it, I think, from our side.
Yeah, fine. Akshay,
Anything else?
Yeah.
no,
Yeah.
I think
I
fine.
think it's all clear. Tilo, you want to share that link that time last time we discussed no one block like bacteria, autism, bacteria and autism. That's a good example, right?
I was seeing that.
I'll share the link. So just
You have the link, okay? Uh,
I'll put it on the chat.
One second. Yeah, I'm just seeing that. Okay. Okay, fine. I'll just share my screen so you get a good enough idea. Um, See, this is I think gut bacteria and autism. So this is exploring the treatment option for the thing. So I think the gut bacteria is what they are focusing on. Okay, and you can see they are using this bacteria here. Then they are using this gut bacteria in URL, and they are using the gut bacteria in in the title. Okay, so for you it starts from here, and the title meta description over here is I'll just show you. This is the Google. Okay, one second. Uh, See here you have gut bacteria and autism research thing. Okay, this is for Google. That means what it says is like if I put so this particular part. Okay, this part we will write it in the Excel sheet. If you have seen
Hmm.
meta title, that is SEO team. Okay, this part whatever comes in Google. Okay, that we
Hmm.
will write it, and that is that is in the code we write it. So you can
Hmm.
see that particular one second. What is that thing? Yeah. See if you see the top part, you can see my cursor, right? If you see that particular part, we will take care of. So you have to take it from the heading part. So heading is here. Then it is written like written by Regina Anthony. So medically reviewed by doctor. So like that updated on. So this and all gives some trust. Okay. Then there is an introduction. And they are segregating that section. Okay, how many sections they have? See, this is not required, but then you have the subheadings. The connection between the gut bacteria and autism. That is number one. So you can see they have mentioned the keyword here in the heading part, and also here also you can see the bacteria is here. Like that you can gut is here. Your gut. So these are all here and there you can add it in the in the paragraph. Then again you see another subheading. They have the gut, gut brain axiom in autism. So they have gut here. So that is they don't have you don't have to put get bacteria always. So that's what I'm saying. Okay. So again here they have added here. Then they have linked. Okay, linked some some gut brain axis. So you can also link if there is something externally or internally in the website, you can add that. So again, this is subheading, subheading two. Then they have mentioned one quote. Okay, that also you can add that. If you have some quote by a renowned person, you can add that. Um, then what is this is all subheading. Okay, subheading 1, subheading 2. Probiotics. Yeah. Now, if you see that frequently asked question, right? That all you can add it. So this is very important. Okay, you can have 2, 3 frequently asked questions. Then if you see if this or this things gives a authoritative, like they have not put the LinkedIn, but we can put the LinkedIn and we can give you more value to the thing. So that's all. Okay. And if you see instant access, get instant access. So this and all is the call to action. 90 minutes free workshop to improve your gut health naturally. So this kind of things we will add it. Okay, so ultimate aim is to write your content and then they come to us for the questions. So that call to action all we'll mention it. Okay, so this makes sense. So like, any questions here?
No more questions from my side.
Yeah.
Anyone else? I think they are good.
Yeah. Okay. So we will send you our own articles. Okay. So maybe we give you some. So it will be easy for you to understand.
Okay.
One article and maybe one or two more examples like this we will give you.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Okay, fine. See, any questions? In future, if you are having any questions, just shoot a mail. We will help you out. We will come a call and we can help you out. Okay, if someone is writing the content, we'll come then and there. You can call us and we'll come then and there and we'll help you out. Okay, so that is not a problem.
All right, understood.
Yeah. So.
Okay, Akshay.
So Akshay, that's all Akshay. I think.
Akshay, you there?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here.
Okay, I think we can end the meeting, no?
Okay, okay, fine.
Okay, thanks, Chanel. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah, thanks,
Bye.
Tim. Thanks, Tim.
everyone.
Thanks.
Have a
Thank
nice
you,
day.
Akshay. Bye.
Wonderful day. Bye bye.